I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by announcing the new limits calmly and confidently so expectations are clear. Explain the reason, balance, and better sleep. Then apply a specific quota, for example 1 hour on school days and 2 hours on weekends. Once done, toggle parental controls and schedule device-free periods like meals and 1 hour before bedtime. Make sure to involve your child in choosing replacement activities so they feel ownership, and set visible timers or a chart so everyone knows how much screen. Now you focus on routines that make reduced screen time automatic. Map out mornings, homework, play, and a fixed screen slot, then stick to it for at least 2 weeks so habits form. Once routines hold, replace one screen session with a favorite activity, bike, board game, or arts, and explain why the swap helps attention and mood. If resistance rises, reduce slowly by 10 to 15 minutes every 3 to 5 days. This pacing eases withdrawal and keeps compliance without a battle. To finish, lock in gains by creating family rituals like device-free dinners and a weekly screen check that celebrates progress and resets goals. Once established, track usage weekly and tweak limits based on behavior, school demands, or social needs. If your child backslides, act quickly. Revisit the rules, restore device controls, and reintroduce the routine with firm but calm explanations. Remember the key troubleshooting tip. If things go wrong, return to structure immediately and re-establish small wins before easing again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.